Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you this beautiful soft glam, very spring summer like. I am starting with the new Juvias Place I Prime eye primer. I really like how this sets on my eyes. It works really well and I love how well the eyeshadow apply on top. I am using two shadow palettes from Juvias Place as well. I really love their shadow. They're super pigmented and just work really well overall in terms of like blending, pigmentation, and all that good stuff. They're also very affordable in my opinion, so I always gravitate towards them, and they're also cruelty free, one of my favorite parts overall. This is not sponsored by the way. I just really love the brand and I love working with them. I actually just got to go to their headquarters and work with them on creating a tutorial for their page, which was super exciting and such a nice experience. I was so grateful for that. Anyways, moving on, you guys can see here the colors that I'm applying. I'm also showing you the palettes that I'm using. I'll be sure to link everything down below as well, just to make sure you guys know where to get these products. Usually they do sell Juvia's Place at Ulta Beauty and also at their website Juvias Place. I believe they also have a sale, which is super nice. I'm telling you guys, they always have an amazing sale. Such great shadows. Can't complain. But I'm mixing just the same shades right here on the crease. Went ahead and blended those baby. And I'm going to be using the eye prime once again to cut the crease. You guys see the process here. I just really love this eye primer. It really cleanses everything and it just makes everything easy. The eyeshadow applies really well on top as well. And I've even used glitter, shadows, different type of textures, and it holds the shadow really well. We have to stop using concealer, honestly, for long wear. They are not going to hold your shadow whatsoever. So going with a primer is just the way to go in my opinion. Going back with those beautiful shades that I also use on the crease and just basically creating that beautiful gradient effect on the lid. Now as you can see here, it did kind of, you know, take your time to blend. Of course, that's the key to just having that beautiful blending effect. Just take your time. Sometimes it can be tedious to blend shadows, especially when they're darker shades, and if you don't know how to mix them with other color pretty well, they can just be so tedious and end up looking patchy and whatnot. But here it is. I'm also going to be adding some glitter along that cut crease just to add and spice this look up a little bit more, and just to add more drama to the look. I'm going to take that dark brown. It's a very deep, almost the darkest of the browns that I own, honestly, and I'm going to add this to the very close to the lash line, and I'm also going to wing it out, kind of creating a wing smoked out effect, if that makes any sense. And I'm just going back and forth, slowly applying the product and then using a pencil brush to really diffuse that into the lid as well, just because I want to have that gradient effect. As you can see here, I love this look, you guys, already. I'm gonna go to the lower lash now and continue adding that first darker shade. This is gonna be the base to really just adhere the entire look and just add to the drama and then blend everything together. I'm using the same shades basically on my lower lashes as I used on my lids, just to make sure everything is cohesive and it looks nice and easy as well to recreate. I'm a huge fan of glitter, you guys. I love using glitter. They just honestly get everywhere and it's so hard to get it off. I feel like every time I wear glitter, I always find glitter everywhere, in my face and just everywhere, honestly. Anyways, we're gonna go on now to the face. So today I'm using La Mercier minis. We're starting with some of their primer. I'm first using the Pure Canvas primer. This is the hydrating one, and they also have another one that is their blurring primer. It's a silicone free primer. Usually I do like their primers. They work really well. Their products are also super nice, lightweight, and they just feel gentle on the skin. And now I'm going in with a tinted moisturizer. It's a natural skin perfector. It also has SPF. This is great for the summer. I really like how it looks on the skin as well. It's like just very lightweight, you guys. It just looks so nice, and again, it's perfect for the sun. So anyways, moving on to contour and highlight. I'm also using some products from Juvias Place just to keep it more, you know, Juvias Place, some of my favorite products, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer to the skin, some cream bronzer to the skin. I do prefer using cream products. They just work best for my skin. I feel like they blend in really well. Everything looks more natural. Everything just looks really like beautiful and like my skin as well. So I always go down for that. I'm also adding a little bit of liquid blush, mixing that in with that bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and set the skin and then go ahead and add the setting spray to finish it off. And now going into the lips, I'm going in with a brown lip liner, which I'm gonna link down below everything that I use on my lip. I did use a little bit of concealer as well on the middle, and then I use a clear gloss from Juvias Place, which is their it's glass gloss. Super pretty, just a clear gloss. Honestly, you can use wherever you want. My jewelry is from Zazazan. You guys already know my jewelry line. I cannot wait to launch more pieces. I'm definitely working on that right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super easy soft glam. I love the orangey peachy tone to it. It's so pretty. But yeah, I'll see you babes on my next look. Bye.